are you going?
Don't you know I'm going to the market?
Why?
Because there is a new store with wonderful handmade products.
Wow, brilliant! Today is my mom's birthday.
And I need to buy a present for my best friend.
Hey, wait for me. I'm coming with you.
Let's go.
This small plant will solve most of your healthy problem. You find it in the market. Cooperative 20 from 5.
I go to keep my bedroom with a good smell.
I've got a solution,
Really, Martha?
Yes, I've got air freshener.
Sweet vanilla. It's from Cooperative 20 from 5.
Oh, a paper box for my wishes. Cooperative 20 from 5.
Ah, a paper box to keep my secrets. Cooperative 20 from 5.
Oh, a paper box for keep some sweets. Cooperative 20 from 5.
Oh, a paper box to keep my jewels. Cooperative 20 from 5.
Oh my God! What a sweet smell! Oh yes! Here is the aromatic bag from 20 from 5 Cooperative. That's a good idea to give us a present.
I always forget something to do.
Don't worry, Monichel. Use these banknotes and your life will be organized forever.
Sure? Good idea.
Yes, Cooperative 20 from 5.
Come to 20 from 5 Cooperative in a market next 11th of April. You find a good surprise.
Cooperative 20 from 5 is great. Look